Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be another episode of our Jamaican Patois for Beginners lesson. As you all know, we don't want to waste time, so let's jump straight into the video. But before we do that, you know I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Today's Patwah lesson is going to be something a little different. We're going to actually talk about 7 words that means something totally different in Jamaican Patwah from it does in English. So the first word is ignorant, which in English means lacking in knowledge or information. So basically, you don't know. So in Jamaican Patwah, it means something totally different. It actually means someone who is quick-tempered. So a person that gets upset very easily. I don't know how else to say that. They just get upset easily. So that's the kind of person that would call ignorant in the Jamaican culture. So probably if a Jamaican tell you you're ignorant, it doesn't mean that you don't know. It just means that you're quick-tempered. The second word is going to be swarthy. Swarthy. But in Jamaican Patwah, people say Swati. But it's the same word, swarthy. That word in English just means dark-skinned. In Jamaican Patwah, it just means big and fat. So in Jamaican Patwah, swarthy means fat, to be excessively fat and sometimes sloppy. But swarthy in English means something totally different, dark skin. In Jamaican Patwah, people say swarthy or swarty, swati. Swati, a lot of times they say swati. Swati, you're swati like, but it just means you're fat and in most cases sloppy. The third word is hush, and in English it means just to stop talking or be quiet. In Jamaican Patwah, it just means I'm sorry. So if a person step on your toe, they'll say hush. So if you go to Jamaica and a Jamaican step on your toe, you might hear they say hush. They don't mean to shut up and stop talking. They just mean they're sorry. The fourth, and this one is a phrase, and the phrase is out of order. Out of order. In English, it just means out of arrangement, out of arrangement. But in Jamaican Patwah, it means feisty and out of order. You're rude, you're bright and feisty, you have no manners, you're disobedient. So a lot of times you'll hear they refer to a child as out of order. You're rude and out of order. So when a Jamaican tell you that something or someone is out of order, they don't mean they're out of arrangement. It just means they're rude, bright and feisty and rude. And as soon as I said bright and feisty, the fifth word is bright. Bright, and in English it means intelligence or an abundance of light. But in the Jamaican culture, if a person tell you say you're bright, that means you're rude. Like I said, bright and feisty or bright and out order, you will hear them say you're bright and out order or you're bright and feisty. But it's not the bright they mean. They don't mean that you're intelligent. They don't mean that you're in a lot of light. They just mean you're rude. If a Jamaican said to you that you're bright, that means you're rude. The sixth one, and this one also is a phrase, and it's hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. And in English, it just means you have a hearing problem. You can't hear good. In Jamaican Patwah, it means you're disobedient. You don't listen when people talk to you. You don't hear. You're disobedient. So if you hear a Jamaican say to a child, say, you're hard of hearing, it just means you're disobedient, you're rude, you don't listen when people talk to you. So it still have to do with a little listening and a little hearing, but more so listening than it is hearing. It doesn't mean they cannot hear. It just means that they don't listen. You know, they're stubborn. Something like that. You're hard of hearing, you're stubborn, you're disobedient. So yes. Seventh and final word in today's lesson is salad. When I say salad, a lot of people will think of food. Anywhere else in the world, people is going to think of food. But in the Jamaican culture, when they say salad, that means you kick a football between your opponent or probably even your partner's leg. So if you blast the ball through them leg, then call that salad. Nothing to eat, nothing to do with food, totally sports. And by football, I mean, of course, football that you kick with your foot. So yeah, salad, which means food, and salad, which just means kicking a football between a person's leg. Totally different. So I must let you know that Jamaicans will refer to big tomato as salad, but I will still classify that as the proper salad meaning because it's in the food category. I have a lot more of these words, but I didn't want to overwhelm you with them. So next week I'll do the part 2 to this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next upload. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.